we go back to the website and where it says all articles, this is where each and every article from the newsletter is listed separately. And you can find anything for pretty much the past 10 years. And then once you're at the page that lists all articles, for example, you might want to search, instead of looking over all 500 of them or 400 of them, you could do a search, which you do with a Control F. And for example, find something like our article on internet in Cuba. Here we go. Here are all the individual articles. And if you do a Control F, it opens up a window up in the top, and you can type Cuba. And there you can see our article for internet in Cuba. And you can do this on a smartphone too. Exact same thing, just smaller screen.